We are surrounded by data. We analyze and run statistics on it to know whether there are significant patterns. We try to convince others of what the data means. Yet there are nagging questions that keep popping up. Let's say you work for the city. The pavement is in disarray, and there is only so much money to spend on repairs. In what order should repairs take place? You have rich information on what is happening, but you need more. You need to make decisions, offer recommendations, or suggest a change. You want science, not just intuition. Welcome then to the new graduate certificate in data-driven decision-making. We have data science to ramp up your data analysis, decision science to base your recommendations on mathematical facts, computational intelligence for when the situation is too complex for straightforward yes-no reasoning. The graduate certificate in data-driven decision-making will enable you to harness the power of data and computational tools to help you make the best decision.